Hey guys, this is me, Alex OCZ. So I'd like to show you guys how you tighten up a loose chain on the Stihl MS181C chainsaw. So to tighten it, I'll just show you guys how this works. I'm just gonna zoom in. So all you gotta do is unscrew this, unscrew that, and then next thing you turn this, which is the plus side, so you turn it and your chain moves up. This is anti-clockwise, and to tighten it clockwise, to tighten it, the chain, so after you tighten it, you screw it on, and the next thing, just the chain, it's all good. And your chainsaw is ready to rock and roll. So I'm Alex OCZ, and please drop a like and subscribe for more content of these bad boys like these, and also those videos of like me and my birthday video, which is my birthday at mum and dad's house with his dog and cat, and it's a pretty good video. And this chainsaw is being used in the wood testing video that I did months ago previously. This chainsaw I'm using is the Stihl MS81C, which is a very good chainsaw. So yeah, so if you wanted to check some more videos, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, and put a comment, see what you guys think, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So thanks for watching.